A hard life and its harsh reality. Marriage and the responsibilities that come with it. Husband, children, in-laws, household chores and making both ends meet. Work and home running to and fro to be the ideal woman. Tired lines fill the foreheads of these women who were once young, carefree girls. At times, these women wish to take a break and go back to the home where they were born and brought up. They wish to relive the days spent with doting parents and loving siblings. Post-marriage, however, life seldom gives them the opportunity to bond with their beloved maternal home. With time, the bonding seems to fade. The Meitei community of Manipur has set aside a day to keep this bond alive, to reunite married daughters with their parents, to rekindle the love between siblings. This special day is called Ningol Chakauba, literally meaning inviting Ningols or daughters to a feast. Ningol Chakauba honors the close, affectionate relationship between the Pibas or sons of a family with their sisters. It is celebrated on the second new moon day of Hyangay in the Manipuri lunar calendar. It falls in October or November, always 2 days after Diwali. Markets become extremely busy on the eve of this festival. Sales boom at Khwairamban Market, Thangal Bazaar, Pauna Bazaar and almost every other market and shops all over the valley. Why wouldn't it when parents and brothers prepare excitedly for the next day's feast? The ladies themselves have to complete last-minute shopping for eatables and sweetmeats to gift to their parents and brothers. It is also time to pamper themselves with new clothes and jewelry. Vijayata has done most of her shopping already. She only has to buy some items she missed out earlier. Since the morning of Ningol Chakauba, her mother-in-law is busy in the kitchen to prepare her own daughter's favorite dishes. Vijayata gets ready in all her finery. Today is a special day. She will get to meet her sister, her aunts and her friends. After marriage, she hardly gets a chance to meet all of them together under one roof. The kids too are getting excited. A whole day away from studies, all play and lots of gifts waiting for them. Vijayata is ready to leave for her maternal home now, all decked up and carrying gifts for everyone back home. She is also secretly curious as to what gifts her parents must have bought her. Just after she leaves, her sister-in-law also arrives and everybody welcomes her. Finally home, she finds her father waiting for her. Her sister arrives soon after. them visit all their uncles and meet up with cousins, while her daughter has fun with her sister's daughter. Many dishes are prepared on this special occasion: iromba, singju and various fish delicacies. Traditionally, Meiteis don't consume meat. Chicken and other meats are cooked in some families but have to be cooked outside the house. Now it is lunchtime. With 3 generations of their family, it has become a small feast. The brothers and their wives serve the ningols throughout. Back home, Vijayata's husband and in-laws enjoy a happy meal together with the daughter of the house. After the meal, everyone shares betel nuts, fruits and sweetmeats the sisters have brought while reminiscing about the past. As the day advances, gifts are brought out. Fathers and brothers give away gifts to and bless the women. Uncles and neighbors also shower them with gifts. The children too get a fair share. The children happily display the beautiful dresses they have received from their grandparents. There is no fixed item for gifting, and what one wants to give depends on the economic status of the maternal family. Traditional clothes like fanek or wraparound skirts and inafi or stoles are the usual preference. Simple household articles ranging from crockery and blankets to costlier items like gold, mobile phones and refrigerators, and even scooters and cars. There is no dearth of choices. Unfortunately, the race for pomp and show and costly gifts has been threatening to mar the beauty of this festival in recent years. Political and social unrest often bring life in Manipur to a standstill for weeks at a stretch. Fuel prices skyrocket at such times. People have to cook with firewood and charcoal because cooking gas gets sold at 2,000 rupees per cylinder. The economic and commodity crises, however, fail to dampen the festive spirit of the Manipuri people. Every brother eagerly awaits the arrival of his sister, and every married woman prepares for the festival with a smile.